Does the thought of climbing a flight of stairs feel more like a mountain than a simple task? Do you miss the freedom of taking a long walk without that nagging worry about your legs giving out? Perhaps you've even caught yourself holding onto furniture just to feel steady, or you've had to say no to activities you once loved. What does that feel like for you? Is it frustrating? A little bit scary? If you're nodding along, please know this journey isn't one you have to walk alone. These feelings of weakness, instability, and fatigue are not your new normal, and they are not a life sentence. What if I told you that hope can be found in your kitchen cupboard? Groundbreaking new research is revealing how certain natural teas can powerfully support your body's ability to rebuild muscle, dramatically improve circulation, and fight the very inflammation that makes you feel stiff and sore. If you're ready to feel stronger and more confident on your feet, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because we're about to share 3 teas that could truly change how you move through the world every single day. So please, stay with me. This is important. Before we dive into these incredible teas, let's quickly understand what's happening inside our bodies. As we move past 60, we all experience a process called sarcopenia. It's simply the scientific term for age-related muscle loss. Imagine your muscles as strong, thick ropes. Over the years, due to hormonal shifts, less physical activity, and a process called oxidative stress, those ropes can start to fray. Does that feeling of internal rusting and stiffness sound all too familiar? That's oxidative stress at work. It's caused by unstable molecules called free radicals that damage your muscle cells and their tiny powerhouses, the mitochondria. When your mitochondria are damaged, they produce less energy, which leads directly to that deep muscle fatigue you might be feeling. This is often paired with low-grade chronic inflammation, making your joints feel stiff and discouraging you from moving. It creates a vicious cycle. You move less, so you lose more muscle, which makes you want to move even less. But here is the empowering truth. You can interrupt this cycle by giving our bodies the right tools, powerful, natural compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Alongside gentle, consistent movement times, we can protect our muscles and support our body's amazing ability to repair itself. This is exactly where our 3 T's come in. They are targeted solutions, helping to reduce inflammation, fight that rusting process, and boost circulation to bring life-giving nutrients back to your muscles. All right, let's get to the heart of it, the 3 beverages that can help you walk with a stronger, more confident stride. We'll explore the science behind each one in a simple, accessible way and give you practical tips to make them a part of your life. Tea Hasson. Green tea, the muscle supporter. Our first powerhouse is green tea. The research on green tea for maintaining muscle mass and balance is truly exciting. A long-term study in Japan that followed thousands of older adults found a direct link. Those who consistently drank green tea were far more likely to keep their muscle strength and physical balance as they got older. So, how does it work? Green tea is loaded with potent antioxidants called catechins, especially one named EGCG. Remember that oxidative stress, the internal rust? These catechins are masters at neutralizing those damaging free radicals. They act as a personal bodyguard for your muscle fibers and, most importantly, for your mitochondria, your cellular powerhouses. When your mitochondria are protected, they work more efficiently to produce energy. What does that feel like for you? It feels like legs that are more responsive and less likely to tire out during your daily activities. On top of that, green tea supports healthy blood flow, which ensures your muscles get the oxygen they need. The gentle, natural caffeine, perfectly balanced by a calming amino acid called L-theanine, provides a smooth, focused energy, encouraging you to stay active without the jitters. How to prepare it. To get the most benefit, steep a high-quality green tea bag, or 1 teaspoon of loose leaves in hot, but not boiling, water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Boiling water can damage the delicate catechins. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups during the day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. T-2. Ginger tea. The soothing mobility booster. Do you dread that first step out of bed, bracing against stiffness in your joints? Is your walk often accompanied by an ache in your knees or muscles? If so, our second tea, the warm and wonderful ginger tea, could become your new best friend. Its primary superpower is its incredible ability to fight inflammation. Ginger contains active compounds known as gingerols and shogals. These compounds work by telling your body to produce fewer inflammatory chemicals. Imagine inflammation creating a hostile environment in your body that causes pain and stiffness. Ginger tea helps to calm that environment, making every movement easier and far less painful. In fact, some studies have shown that ginger can be effective in soothing sore muscles and easing the discomfort of osteoarthritis. But that's not all. Ginger is also fantastic for your circulation. Think about it. Good circulation is absolutely vital for strong legs. When blood flow slows down, your muscles are starved of the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. And that's when fatigue sets in. A daily cup of ginger tea can gently enhance that blood flow, bringing new life to your legs and a greater sense of confidence with every step you take. Asterisk. Asterisk. How to prepare it. Asterisk. Asterisk. Fresh is best. Take a 1-inch piece of ginger root, slice it thinly, and let it simmer in a pot of water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it simmers, the more potent it gets. Strain it into a mug and feel free to add a squeeze of lemon or a small spoonful of honey for flavor. A warm cup first thing in the morning is perfect for easing that overnight stiffness. T-3. Hibiscus tea. The endurance and circulatory enhancer. Have your legs ever felt heavy, tired, or started to burn long before you felt they should? Our third tea, the stunning ruby red hibiscus tea, is a true champion for your circulatory system, which is directly tied to muscle endurance and health. Hibiscus tea is brimming with antioxidants called anthocyanins. They're what give the tea its vibrant color. These antioxidants help lower inflammation and protect the body. But where hibiscus really performs is in its supported ability to promote healthy blood pressure and significantly improve blood flow. Fighting muscle fatigue is all about circulation. When your leg muscles aren't getting a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, they tire out fast. Hibiscus tea works by helping to relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely throughout your body. This improved circulation means more oxygen and essential nutrients can reach your leg muscles, helping you go further with less fatigue. For anyone who experiences swelling in their feet or ankles, a cup of hibiscus can be especially helpful. Its circulatory support can help reduce that fluid buildup, making your legs feel lighter and more comfortable. Asterisk, asterisk. How to prepare it. Asterisk, asterisk. Steep 1 tea bag, or about 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It has a delicious tart flavor, much like cranberry. Since it's caffeine-free, you can enjoy it anytime. It's an excellent choice for an afternoon break to combat leg fatigue. Knowing about these teas is the first step, but consistency is where the magic happens. Can you picture how simple it would be to fit this into your day? Remember, these teas are powerful allies, but they work best as part of a lifestyle that includes gentle movement and enough protein. True strength is built when nutrition, activity, and these natural supporters all work together. Here is a sample routine. Asterisk, asterisk in the morning. Asterisk, asterisk. Start your day with a warm cup of asterisk, asterisk ginger tea, asterisk, asterisk. Its anti-inflammatory magic is perfect for soothing any morning stiffness, helping you feel more limber and ready for the day. Asterisk, asterisk. Midday or early afternoon. Asterisk, asterisk. This is the ideal time for asterisk, asterisk. Green tea, asterisk, asterisk. The smooth energy boost can help you power through the afternoon, while its antioxidants work to protect your muscles as you go about your day. Asterisk, asterisk. Late afternoon or early evening. Asterisk, asterisk. Enjoy a beautiful cup of hibiscus tea, As your day winds down, hibiscus can help boost circulation to your legs, easing any fatigue that has built up. And because it's caffeine-free, it won't disturb your sleep. And a very important note: while these teas are natural and safe for most people, if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications, especially for blood pressure or blood thinning, it is always wise to speak with your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal routine. As a special bonus, I want to share one more tea that is truly remarkable for supporting recovery and balance. Ashwagandha root tea. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen, which is a fancy way of saying it helps your body better manage and adapt to stress. Chronic stress is a secret enemy of muscle strength because it raises levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which can actually cause muscle tissue to break down. Ashwagandha helps to balance your cortisol levels, shifting your body from a state of breakdown into a state of repair. This is critical for overnight recovery, which is when most of your muscle repair takes place. Drinking a warm cup of ashwagandha tea in the evening can help calm your nervous system and promote the deep, restorative sleep your muscles need to heal and grow stronger. While more research is needed in older adults, some studies have shown that ashwagandha can support gains in muscle strength and endurance. To prepare it, simmer about a teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and drink warm. It has a pleasant, earthy flavor that many find deeply comforting before bed. If this information has resonated with you, and if you believe it could help you or someone you love take a step towards a stronger future, please show your support by giving this video a like and sharing it. Every share helps us reach one more person who needs to hear this empowering message. And for more science-backed practical tips on how to stay strong, mobile, and active for years to come, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We would be honored to be a part of your journey. We'd also love to hear from you. Please go down to the comments below and tell us, which one of these teas are you most excited to try first? Today, we've unlocked the power of 3 incredible teas, and a special bonus that can become part of your daily ritual for stronger legs. We learned that green tea is your muscle supporter, shielding them from damage. Ginger tea is your mobility soother, calming inflammation to make movement comfortable again. And hibiscus tea is your endurance booster, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to fight off fatigue. These are not just cups of tea. They are simple, powerful tools you can use to take back control. Feeling weaker is not your destiny. By creating a simple daily ritual with these teas, alongside gentle movement and good nutrition, you are sending a clear message to your body. It's time to rebuild the foundation of your strength. It's time to walk strong again, with the confidence and independence you so richly deserve. Thank you for watching.